Hello everyone, in this video let's solve a question based on linked list. So the problem statement is find middle of linked list. So a linked list is given to you and the address of the first node of the linked list is pointing by the head variable. So this is the linked list and this is the head pointer which holds the first node address. Now what you have to do, you have to find the middle node of this linked list. Now so we have 7 nodes, so we have to return the middle of this linked list. So middle of this linked list is this node, so we have to return 4. Okay, now there are two methods of doing it. So first method, let's see the first method, then we'll go to the second method. So this is very easy. What you have to do, you have to count the number of nodes in linked list. And how we are going to do, we are going to traverse the whole linked list and we'll have the variable count. We will increment the count variable for each time we move in the linked list, and that is how we will get to know how many nodes are in the linked list. After that we have to calculate half of the count variable. So as soon we do the half, we'll get to know the half of the nodes in the linked list. Okay, so there are 7 nodes. When we divide it by 2, it will give us 3 point something. So we'll take the ceil value of it. So we'll take ceil value of it. So m will contain 4. And now we have to traverse till m. So we have to traverse 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes, and this is how we'll get the middle of the linked list. So let's see the code very quickly. So we declare a pointer p of struct node type, and we will start pointing to the head. So p will start pointing to the head. Now we will traverse. We say while p is not equal to null, just increment the count, and also p is equal to p next. So this is how we are going to traverse the whole linked list, and the count value will become 7. Okay, now just divide this count value by 2. You will get take the ceil value of it, you will get the 4. Okay, now you have to traverse while I is smaller than m. Okay, and then you have to just increment the p is equal to p next, and you also have to start the p again with the head. So you after the p traverse the whole linked list, you again start the p with the head, and then you have to traverse till 4 times. So this is how p will come here, and then you can return the data of that node. So this is how you find the middle of the linked list. Now let's see method number 2. So method number 2 will use 2 pointers. So we can define 2 pointers, and after that we make them pointing to the head. So 2 pointer will come, p and q, they will start pointing to the head. Now the idea behind this solution is you have to increment the one pointer 1 time and another pointer 2 times. Okay, now p is here, so you will increment p, so p will point to this. Now you have to increment q 2 times, so q will not point to this node, q will start pointing to this node. Now in the next iteration, p will start pointing to this node, but q will start pointing to this node. You have to increment 2 times. Now in the next iteration, p will start pointing to this node and q will start pointing to this node. As you can see, q is pointing to the last node and p is pointing to the middle node. So now you have to stop and you have to return the p data. So you are pointing to the middle node. So this is the idea behind the method 2. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.